repair a leak in a Kingston Brass faucet. It's on the tub here. It's leaking very slowly, just a drip every minute or so. I don't know which is leaking, the hot or the cold, so we're going to replace the cartridges on both. I've already shut the water off outside and we're ready to take it apart. Okay, this is a model KS269 ORB. And the replacement cartridge that they sent me was a KS1000H. Okay, these cartridges are actually pretty good. This faucet has been in use for about 3 years and it started this slow leak. These cartridges are ceramic design, where you have a ceramic to ceramic seal in here. The one thing that could damage this cartridge would be any material like sand or soldering slag that's left in the line. If it wasn't flushed correctly, it can get between these two surfaces, polished surfaces, and cause a small leak. And I think that's what caused the leak in this case. First thing we're going to do is remove the cap. The cap came off, but the other part stayed in there, so I need to pry it out also. Once you get it out, you have a screw to take off right here. So we got the coat off. This one came out in one piece, so we got the rod off too. So now what you do is just take a screwdriver and unscrew this screw. And you don't want to mark this up. Sometimes you can just unscrew it by hand. If not, you want to get you some rubber coated pliers and so you don't damage the finish. So now we're to the valve. It's pretty simple. And we're just going to take an adjustable wrench. We're going to turn it counterclockwise. So we're ready to put our good valve back in. It's just going to thread right back in. So we have it tight. We're going to put our cap back on. And that just needs to be hand tight because it's not anything that's going to stop the. Put the handle back on. And we're going to put our cap back on. Okay, we're going to do the cold side. Take the finished cap off. Cold side back in. Cover plate back on. Let's replace the handle. Snap the code back on. And it looks like we're done. As you can see, it's a simple repair. It's probably one of the easiest faucets to work on. These Kingston Brass faucets, I actually bought it from Home Depot for about $250. If you try to buy a Kohler, this is a Kohler tub, if you try to buy a Kohler faucet, it was more in the $1,200 range. So this faucet's been in here 3 years and it started leaking. I give Kingston Brass credit. They honored the warranty and they sent the new cartridges at no charge. So I think it's a pretty good faucet for the money.